And Semia and Babeto Dresse, Ghana, yen senior minister, Oreya Osafo Maafo ya dia, when ya COVID-19 no ebi. Na way and Sema de Oboso for Nabuko Jopon Kroma, headed to Ja and Ebra of Friends and Truffle in Shemo.
In a separate development that has come to us this morning, Senior Minister Osafo Maafo has been informed that his sample given for test has returned positive. He will therefore, as of today, commence treatment for COVID-19 from home. And in consonance with the transparency that we're bringing this, he has instructed that we inform the general public of this accordingly. Our best wishes remain with him and all who are battling virus, and we continue to encourage strict compliance to the preventive etiquette, particularly wearing of masks. These are proven ways to cut the rate of spread, and we admonish all to observe them. Government is committed to doing its part by providing more and more public education, logistics, stepping up enforcement, but we as citizens also have a responsibility to protect us too. The ones that government cannot do for us, we must do for ourselves.